Hi there, thank you for clicking into this video to watch it. My name is Ezine, but you can call me Shuga. Okay, if this is your first time of stopping by this YouTube channel, you are definitely welcome. Please do not make it your last. Consider hitting the subscribe button below. I am an Abuja YouTuber based right here in the capital city of Nigeria. So a quick backstory on how we came about this particular video. Few months ago, I made a video on this channel where I was sharing with everyone different ways to reverse skin bleaching. I shared in that video how to take care of that, and in that video I got a comment asking a question about how to lighten dark feet. So I made that follow-up video to share with you all how to lighten your dark feet and to make your feet not just lighter but smoother, fresher and younger. I'm going to leave a link to that video in the card here or here that you must have seen already, okay, so that you can go check it out as soon as you're done watching this video. Now, under that particular video, I got another follow-up question as to how to lighten dark inner thighs. Okay, and now we all know what dark inner thighs is. If you don't know what dark inner thighs is, I'm going to try to get a picture and leave it here or here for you to see what I mean, okay, so that you can actually understand what we're talking about. So in this video, I'm coming here to share with you how you can lighten your dark thighs, okay, especially the inner part of your thighs. And now, while I am doing that, I am also going to be sharing with you the reason why you keep having dark inner thighs. So I'm actually going to be sharing with you 3 different ways that you can take care of dark inner thighs using the Vaseline, and how to treat it using Vaseline if you already have dark inner thighs. So now we're going to head straight into the video. Now, one of the very first things I'm going to address that is like a disclaimer is this, because a lot of men are responsible for this thing, about this thing, or for this thing. English. And then I've also seen ladies who have body shamed their fellow ladies, maybe behind their backs, okay, or gossiped about it is the right word, whenever they see ladies who have dark thighs. Now, a lady or even a man having dark thighs does not mean that they are dirty. Yes, it is not a sign of dirtiness, okay. There are several reasons why someone could be experiencing dark thighs, including yourself. You might experience it once in a while, and if you get lucky, it fades away with the kind of cream that you're using or lotion you're using on your body, and if you're not lucky, it stays there. See, let me tell you, that part of our body is one of the parts of our body that is quite sensitive, but yet do not respond to, you know, treatment and creams the way other parts of your body will respond. Okay, if you apply what you're using on your face right now to that part of your body, it is not going to respond as fast as that, and in fact it is more sensitive than your face. And that is why the things I'm going to be recommending to you in this video are natural things. So this means that it is not going to work like magic. If you have a sensitive skin, if you have a very good skin, you've been taking care of your diet and your immune system, then it means that within the first 1 week, 2 weeks of making use of these things I'm going to share with you, especially if you're treating dark thighs, okay, what are the causes of dark thighs? Now, one reason why so many people experience dark thighs is as a result of friction, okay, and chafing from walking. You know how when you're walking on the road and then your thighs are rubbing each other? Yes, that is one of the reasons why you experience dark thighs, okay. There is supposed to be a little space in between your legs, and that is one danger of obesity, which of course is another reason why you might be experiencing dark inner thighs. If you stand and your 2 laps are locking each other like this, then it means that you need to lose some weight to give that space there. When they meet themselves and you walk, you begin to experience friction there, okay. Except you practice some other tips I'm going to be sharing with you maybe in another video on how you can prevent dark inner thighs after you have treated it. So one way that you can fight that, of course, at this point is that you need to work out. Work on your diet, work on your immune system so that you can lose weight, okay. Another reason why you could be experiencing dark inner thighs is because that part of your body is producing excess melanin, and that is because they are not as exposed to the sun as other parts of your body. Other places that are similar to the dark inner thighs are your armpit. That is why it is easy for you to get dark armpits, okay. And most times most people grow up having dark armpits, except they begin to work to lighten their armpits. And of course, the tips I'm going to be sharing with you in this video can also work for you if you need to lighten your dark armpit, all right. But you need to be careful with some of the ingredients too. So aside from the armpit, another area that also is similar to that part is the divide of your close to your anus, okay. That divide, that small space or line, the corridor, okay, at the back of your bum bum. that corridor at your bum bum, okay. that leads to the anus is usually dark as well, right? You agree with me, right? Yes. And this can actually be taken care of, even if they're not entirely in themselves bad. Like I said, it could be because your skin is producing excess melanin in that area. And you know that most of the times we don't particularly pay attention to this part of our body when we apply our lotions as much as we pay attention to other parts of our body that is very visible to us. We pay little to no attention to these places. So that could be another reason why you are experiencing dark inner thighs. Another reason why some persons could be experiencing dark inner thighs, or yourself could be experiencing dark inner thighs, is because you are undergoing some certain kind of treatment, and the medications, the drugs that you're taking is interfering with the melanocytes of your skin, causing an excess production in the melanin of your skin, okay? And that causes you to have dark inner thighs. This is most especially more common for people or persons who are under chemotherapy, okay, or some certain form of severe treatment. The kind of medication or drugs that is being given to you or that you are taking is what is causing you to have dark inner thighs. Another thing that can cause dark inner thighs is oral contraceptives. Yes, both for people who are married and people who are unmarried alike. So those contraceptives that you're using, especially the ones you're taking into your body, the drugs that you're drinking in from your mouth, could be the reason why you are experiencing dark inner thighs. Now, lastly, another reason why you could be experiencing dark inner thighs is because your skin in that area is dry, and because of that it becomes easily irritated. So remember I said earlier that that part of the body is actually a very sensitive area, okay, very sensitive skin or layer of the skin in on our body, so it can get irritated easily and dry, which will also cause dark inner thighs for you. Now that brings me to how to take care of dark inner thighs, especially if you're someone who is already experiencing dark inner thighs. If you do not have dark inner thighs right now, I will share in a separate video how you can prevent dark inner thighs, okay, from ever happening to you or from happening again. Peradventure you're done watching this video, you make use of this treatment, which are definitely going to work out for you, and then you need to continue to maintain, okay, whatever it is that you need to maintain in order for your inner thighs to remain light and bright like other parts of your body. I'm going to be sharing that in another video for you guys, okay? Now, the first way to lighten your dark inner thighs is to make use of lemon. Yes, now when I say lemon, I mean lemon, the big one, not the small one. The smaller one that comes in a very smaller size is lime, not lemon. And now I always say this, okay, I've not said it before on this channel because there has never really been a reason to say it. Anytime you need to use lemon for your face, for your skin, or any other skincare treatment or scrub or whatever DIY you want to use it for, please make sure you go for the lemons that are yellow already, that are ripe yellow. Yes, let the flesh, let the body be yellow before you make use of it. That one works more actively for you, because when it is green, it contains a lot of acid that could hurt and irritate your skin if you use it. So if you're using lemon on your face and you've been having some certain kind of irritations, this could probably be the reason why. So back to our gist. Now, when you get your lemon, you get your Vaseline, slice your lemon into two, keep the other half for another time, and then take that other half. You can either squeeze out the juice and then with a cotton pad dab your cotton wool or cotton pad in the juice of that lemon and apply it around that inner thigh area, okay, that is dark, around the affected areas. You can apply on your armpit like I said, or that area close to your anus, but our focus in this video is actually the dark inner thigh, so we're going to keep saying dark inner thighs henceforth. Now when you apply it, you let it sit for at least 20 to 30 minutes, and then as soon as you are done, you rinse it off with water. You don't need to rinse off with soap, rinse off with water and pat it dry. Now I say pat dry, and I'm insisting on keyword pat dry, because if you rub it, you would irritate your skin, which could lead to, you know, little sores or rashes, or could actually make your skin turn red, or how you get some little bruises, okay, and we don't want that. So pat it dry after you've rinsed out with water, and then go in with your Vaseline to moisturize. Repeat this in the morning, repeat this in the night for the next 1 week, and the dark inner thighs is going to be history. Another magic mask that you can use to clear dark inner thighs, to lighten dark inner thighs, to make your skin brighter, smoother, younger and fresher, is to get your turmeric and water, and then of course the magic formula, your Vaseline. Now how do we do this? You are going to take the turmeric and the water a sizable amount. When you're making it, please do not make it for use over time, like you make one bowl today or one small cup today, and you use that particular mixture for several days or for 2 3 days. Please don't do that. Make the ones that you're going to use per time, okay, so that it is more effective. And now, to make use of this ingredient, what you need to do is to take the turmeric, a sizable quantity, in water, of course, preferably 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of water, depending on how large your thighs are, and then mix the water and the turmeric into a paste. When you're done mixing it into a paste, and then you apply it using your hand, of course, or using a brush if you have, using your hands to apply it on your dark inner thighs. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. As soon as you are done, rinse off. If the turmeric powder that you use is the one that is really organic and stains your skin, you feel you're not comfortable with it, you can wash off lightly with a mouth soap, but you can just rinse off and you're fine. And then as soon as you're done, pat dry as well, and then apply your Vaseline on it. Now, what Vaseline does is that Vaseline locks in the ingredients, okay, those active ingredients that the turmeric has put in that place, okay. It helps to lock in the ingredients, okay, into that place so that it can become lighter, and at the same time moisturizing and hydrating your skin, locking in water, and that place doesn't become dry. Remember, we said that dryness can cause irritation, which will now in turn lead to dark inner thighs. And now for the last tip I have for you is a sugar scrub. And now for this particular sugar scrub, you will be needing granulated sugar and coconut oil, and then of course your Vaseline. But you can actually skip Vaseline in this part just because of the coconut oil. But if not, I like to go extra to make sure that I attain my result. Okay, so you can actually go ahead and use the Vaseline. So how you make this mixture, of course, is to mix your granulated sugar and the coconut into a nice paste, okay. Apply it in that area, leave for 20 to 30 minutes as well, rinse off, and then apply Vaseline on that area. Now, when you are done applying any of these DIY masks that I've shared with you, if you have a brightening cream or a lightening cream, or your lotion that you use normally, you can actually apply it on that area before you now cover up with Vaseline. But the reason why I did not state that or mention that is because we are dealing with natural things, okay, because we want to stay away from adverse effects or any future side effects that might arise later that we do not want to have to deal with, when we can deal with it now by doing the right thing, okay. Yes, and that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Did you find it helpful? Please let me know in the comment section below. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please share out this video, help us to hit our next milestone, okay, our subscriber milestone and our monetization milestone. Just help us to hit our let's gather those watch hours and those subscribers. Make it happen, you guys. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Like I will always say whenever I'm ending any of my videos, if you have other questions that you need answers to, hopefully if I can answer them, I will answer them, of course. Please leave them in the comments area below. If there are other products, okay, whether skincare products, hair care products, okay, body care products that you want us to review, soaps, creams, gels, serums, and the rest of them, what other names do they have? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'm going to be getting to it, okay, you guys. Thank you once again for watching this video till the end. Until I come your way next time in my very next video, this is Shuga signing out.